Hello. Today's live video, I'm doing it in a reply to a question in the Facebook group, okay? Obina wanted help with conjugating some verbs, and one of those verbs was to drink, okay? So we're going to conjugate the verb to drink in Igbo, all right, okay? Okay, hope you can see the screen, okay? So the verb is ingu, to drink, right? And we're going to start with the present and the future tense, okay? So to conjugate verb in the present and the future tense, we remove the E from the infinitive form of the verb, okay? And we replace this with A, okay? And it becomes ango. And to make it present, we add na a. That makes it nango. Nango is the present form of this verb, okay? And if we put ga in front, that is the future tense, okay? I will show you the example in the next slide, okay? So this is a question. She's asking, Igango mmiri ka ọ bụ mmanya? So remember, ga was the future tense, okay? So will you drink water or juice, okay? Igango mmiri ka ọ bụ mmanya, okay? So mmanya could be juice or other forms of drinks like alcohol, okay? In this case, juice. Igango, okay? Will you drink? Igango mmiri ka ọ bụ mmanya, okay? Right, so that's an example. And that's the answer. He says, Gango mmiri, daalụ. I will drink water, thanks, okay? Gango mmiri, daalụ, okay? Gango mmiri, daalụ. So that's still future. I will drink water, right? Okay. Moving on, this is the past tense. So to do the past tense, you remove the E as well, okay? In this case, you don't put anything in front, but at the back, you put R, okay? Followed by the last vowel in the root verb, which is O, okay? So if you look, the last vowel was O, and if you put it there, you will get ngoro, okay? Ngoro, that's the past tense of this verb, ingo, okay? So look at your example here. Obi ngoro mmiri. Obi ngoro mmiri, okay? Obi drank water, yeah? Obi ngoro mmiri, okay? Hope you found this helpful. And if you want to go in deeper and to dive in and learn more, we have the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp, which is reopening soon. And to kick it off, we're doing a webinar on Monday. This webinar is free, 25th of June, okay? There's a 5 a.m. slot and a 11 p.m. slot, whichever time that you can make it to, okay? Just register and join us at the webinar, okay? See ya.